Want to meet the guy behind the camera? I am promising to do a review video at 100K subscribers, and might be a little bit unless you help me out. So please like, share, subscribe, and I'll do a reveal at some beautiful place around here in Colorado Springs, like probably Garden of the Gods or possibly Pikes Peak, something like that. There's a million other places around here that are gorgeous too. Thanks, guys. Dimethyl sulfoxide. I've heard a lot about this, and it was only recently that I actually started taking it. So this stuff can last a long time, and it's great for muscle soreness. It can help with a lot of other things. This is something that oxidizes your body and can help your body clean out things that shouldn't be there, basically. There is talk about studies that suggest it would be a cancer fighter, cancer preventative, etc. And maybe if you're interested in that, you would look into it more. I'm not taking it for that purpose. I actually got into this because of its anti-parasitic qualities. And for me, I have taken this, and some days it's the only thing that stops the parasitic pain that I'm going through. Yes, I've got these things gnawing at me, but this has been one of the things that really, really helps. And it increases the oxygen so much that some days when I take a lot of it, I notice, holy cow, do I feel good? And I'm breathing very easily. And it's like my brain is focused and just feels great because there's so much more oxygen going to my brain than normal, maybe. Anyways, one of the things is you could look into taking this internally. I've not really done so because it's so powerful and so strong. You wouldn't need much of it at all, that's for sure. So what I've done is I have a HDPE plastic and glass roll-on. The plastic is high-density polyurethane, and you want to make sure that it's a very strong plastic like HDPE if you're going to use it, because otherwise this DMSO can straight grab anything and suck it into your body. I've never used anything that is that powerful as this, as powerful. So I actually used this in the beginning and suffered some pretty stupid things that I should have been more careful about. You definitely want to make sure you've got clean skin and you don't touch anything afterwards. I had been applying this to a certain area, and then there was fabric touching that, my hat that I had on, and I ended up leaching the chemicals in the fabric. All of that stuff went directly into my bloodstream. And I've talked about this in my detox video before, and this adds support to what I've actually said about edema, whatever you want to call it. Edamame, just kidding. That your body will grab the toxins and move it to the farthest away of your organs. So I ended up having some of the fabric discoloration in my hand, and I felt like, oh my gosh, this is so terrible. I probably shouldn't have done that. And so I just made sure to keep doing the detox regimens I'd been doing anyways to get rid of that. But anyways, this is 99.995% pure pharmaceutical grade. And like I said, a lot of people, they suggest starting out doing a mixture. 1/3 of this roll-on should be DMSO, and then 2/3 would be like aloe. And this stuff can really irritate your skin. I've heard people suggest just apply it to your feet for at least the first 30 days. If you go above the waist, you'll definitely break out. You'll have some discomfort. You will not feel good at all. And yeah, it gets really irritating to your skin sometimes, so that's why the aloe works best. Some people use coconut oil, but in my experience, the aloe really soothes it and helps it to go away, that irritation feeling. It's amazing how strong this stuff is. But arthritic people may benefit. That's what I hear a lot of testimonies about. There's also the anti-parasitic, as I've talked about. But anyways, do your own research. Look into this. Don't accept any claims from anybody else. And make up your own mind. Stay healthy, guys.